A couple of years ago, Mittens the cat suddenly catapulted into the famous Mittens the Sled-Riding cat, featured on a CNN ireport, prompting over 40,000 hits. Mittens lived through a near tragedy, though, this past Thanksgiving, after being shot by someone toting a shotgun. At least 20 BBs punctured her body, nearly killing her. Her veterinarian felt that she would have to have her right leg amputated. But we brought her home and nursed her wounds, and today was her coming out of sorts. She had enough of being kept indoors. You can see that except for a barely discernible limp, Mittens is ready to ride her famous sled once again. Here are some views of how she reacted to her refound freedom.
I think that cat is crazy.
Hi, kitty. How are you, man?